Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the income tax classes. See, in previous class we discussed under the caste system, no? But in this class we will discuss the problems under mercantile system. See, one simple difference is under caste system they will give first receipts after expenditure, but in mercantile system first they will give expenditure and they will give and after they will give income. So this is the simple logic you need to understand. See here, first they will give, if you have doubt please go to the previous problems. So first they will give expenditure, after they will give incomes under mercantile system. So in previous problem we discussed the doctor profession, no, but under this problem we are discussing the chartered accountant profession. See the problem. Mr. Chandan is a chartered accountant in Bangalore. He has submitted the following income and expenditure account for the year. So expenditures they gave and incomes they gave. So first expenditure. So drawings disallowable, no, disallowable nothing but it's not related to profession. Next office rent, it's allowable. Next telephone installation charges under OIT scheme, this is allowable. Next electricity bill, this is also profession, nothing but allowable. Next salary to staff, it is also allowable. Next charities, it is disallowable, no, why? Because it's not related to profession. Next gifts given to relatives, it is also disallowable because not related to profession. Next car expenses, for car expenses they gave an adjustment. See, 30% of car is used for personal purpose, so this 30% is disallowable. So out of 100% 30% is disallowable. Next remaining 70% is there, no, that is allowable. So only this is the expenses of car. Next subscription for journals, nothing but it's related to professional journals, nothing but it's allowable. Next institute fees, it is also allowable. Next stay funds to trainees, so stay funds is given to trainees, it is also allowable, nothing but professional. So this is the expenditure items. Next income items. So audit fees, so he is a chartered accountant, nothing but for his work he will receive the audit fees, no, so it is related to professional income. Next financial consultancy service, it is also related to profession, no, it is professional income. Next dividends from an Indian company, it is not related to profession, it is other sources of income. Next dividends on units of UTI, it is also other sources of income, not related to the profession. Next accountancy works, it is related to the profession, professional income, we need to consider as a professional income. Next if you balance you will get net profit of rupees 1,33,000. See, one adjustment we missed. Depreciation of car during the year rupees 5,000. So 5,000 is not debited to the profit and loss account, so we need to consider. So out of 5,000, 30% is disallowable, 70% is allowable. This is the problem. Maybe you remember this format, right? Format for computation of taxable income from profession. So under mercantile system also we will consider this format, same as usual. Net profit or loss as per profit and loss account. Next inadmissible expenses debited to profit and loss account. Add business or professional income not credited to profit and loss account. Next overvaluation of opening stock, undervaluation of closing stock, notional loss. Less items, admissible expenses not debited to profit and loss account. So in this problem they given 5,000 depreciation, no, so under 5,000 depreciation here we will consider. Next, tax-free incomes credited to profit and loss account. If any tax-free incomes is given in the problem, we will consider here. Next, undervaluation of opening stock. Any undervaluation of opening stock is here, we will consider. Next, overvaluation of closing stock. Any overvaluation is here, we will consider. Next, non-business income credited to profit and loss account. In this problem, two items is there. One is dividends from an Indian company. Next one, dividend on units of UTI. That two items we will consider here. Next, notional profit. Any notional profit is given in the question, we will consider here. Next, taxable income from profession. So profession or business. So we will consider. Maybe you remembered this format, right? Next, solve the question. So first computation of taxable income from profession of Mr. Chandan for the assessment year 2019-20. Under mercantile system, we need to calculate this problem. Why? Because first the given expenditure, after the given incomes. We will give in the two methods. One is cash system and mercantile system. First we need to calculate under the mercantile system. See, under mercantile system, net profit as per profit and loss account. How much is given in the question? See, 1,33,000 no net profit. 1,33,300. Consider net profit as per profit and loss account 1,33,300. Next, add disallowable or inadmissible, both are same. Disallowable or inadmissible expenses. What are the disallowable expenses is given here in this question? See, one is drawings disallowable. Next one is charities disallowable. Next, gift given to relatives, that is also disallowable. Next, see, car expenses. So out of car expense, 30% is personal purpose, no, 30% is disallowable. We calculate that 30%. First one is drawings. Drawings, how much in the question? So drawings 48,000 given in the question. Next, second one, charities 1,200 is given in the question. Next one, gift to relatives. So gift given to relatives is personal, no, nothing but disallowable. How much given in the question? 9,600. Next, fourth one, car expenses. Car expenses, how much is given in the question? See, car expense 21,000 is given. So out of 21,000, 30% only we need to consider. Why? Because this 30% is personal purpose. Car expenses 21,000 into 30%. That is personal, no? So 6,300 we will get. Any undervaluation of opening stock is given? No, right? Let's see, take one by one. Next, incomes related to profession, but not debited to profit and loss account. But not credited to profit and loss account. Any that items is given here, only two adjustments is given. So no, the type of professional incomes is given. So this head will nil. Next, any undervaluation of closing stock, any overvaluation of closing stock? No, right? Overvaluation of opening stock, any overvaluation? Nil. Next, any undervaluation of closing stock? Undervaluation of closing stock, nil. So only these items, right? Any other items Any other heads we will consider here? No, only 4 heads. One is disallowable or inadmissible expenses. Next one, incomes related to profession but not credited to profit and loss account. Second one is overvaluation of opening stock. Third one is undervaluation of closing stock. No other heads. So only these items. So total the items. So you will get 60, 48, 12. This is not 12,000. This is 1,200. 48,200, 9,600, 6,300. So total it 65,100. Right. So if you total 1,33,300 plus 65,100, you will get 1,98,400. Next, less expenses. Less admissible expenses not debited to profit and loss account. Not debited to profit and loss account. Any that type of items is given? See, only one is given. That is depreciation. No, depreciation of car during the year rupees 5,000. So out of 5,000, admissible 30% disallowable. No, only 70% we need to consider. So depreciation, first one, depreciation 5,000 into 70%. Why this 70%? 70% only allowable. This is not debited to profit and loss account. So 5,000 into 70%, you will get 3,500. Any other items will come under this head? No, right? No. Next, other heads incomes. Other heads incomes credited to profit and loss account. Credited to profit and loss account. So what are the other heads incomes credited here? See, it is professional income, no need to consider because same head. No. Next, financial consultancy service, this is also same head, no need to consider. See, other heads, other sources of income, 2 heads is given. No, 2 sources. One is dividends from an Indian company, second one is dividends on which of UTI. So only these 2 items. Accountancy work, it is related to professional, no need to consider. First one, dividends from an Indian company. How much is given? 6,000. Next, second one, dividend from UTI. How much is given? 4,000. No. So any other items is given here? No, only these items. Next, any undervaluation of opening stock? Undervaluation of opening stock is given here? No. Next, any overvaluation of closing stock? Overvaluation of closing stock? No, right? Only this items is considered. If you total these 4 items, you will get 13,500. If you deduct from this total 1,98,400 minus 13,500, you will get 1,84,900. This is your taxable income from profession. Are you getting what I am telling? So if you have any doubt in this format, please go through the previous problems. Are you getting? Yes. So this is the solution under the mercantile system. So mercantile system, same we calculated under income tax, income from business. No, same format we will use. So you will get the answer 1,84,900. If you get same answer under cash system, your problem is correct. So let's try the cash system. Yes, try it. Solution under cash system: computation of taxable income from profession of Mr. Chandan for the assessment year 1920. Same as usual, particulars amount rupees. See, under cash system we will consider first professional receipts. No, professional receipts. Under professional receipts, see what are the professional receipts is given in the question. First one, professional receipt, nothing but incomes. No, audit fees is given, financial consultancy services is given. It is other sources incomes. These two we will not consider. Next, accountancy works, that is also professional receipt. See, write down. First one, audit fees. How much audit fees? Wait 1 minute. Audit fees 2,24,000. Next one, financial consultancy service, that is 98,000. Next one, accountancy works. How much is given in the question? 24,000. Only that three incomes. No, yes, only that 4 incomes. So if you total these 3 incomes, you will get 3,46,000. Next, less professional payments. So under professional payments, see what are the professional payments is given in the question. So drawings is not professional payment. So office rent is professional. Allowable nothing but is the professional. So office rent, telephone installation, electricity bill, salary to staff, charities and gifts given to relatives is disallowable, not related to profession. Next, car expenses, only 70% we will consider. Next, subscription for journals we will consider. Next, institution fees allowable, that is profession related. Next, stipends to trainees, that is also professional related. These items we will consider. First one, office rent. How much? 42,000 is given in the question. Next, telephone installation. Mention within a bracket OYT, that is related to professional, 15,000. Next, electricity bill. How much is given in the question? Electricity bill 4,200. Yes. Next, salary to staff again 66,000. Next, car expenses. So car expenses, how much given in the question? See, car expenses 21,000 is given in the question. So 30% is disallowable. No, so that is not a professional payment. So only 70%, that is related to professional. So car expenses 21,000 into 70%. So 21,000 into 70%, you will get 14,700. Correct? 21 into, yes, correct, 14,700. Next, subscription to journals. So 2,500. Next, institute fee 1,200. Yes. Next, stipends to trainees. How much? 12,000 is given in the question. Next one, depreciation. Depreciation we need to consider, no? Depreciation. So how much is given in the question? They given in the adjustment 5,000, no? So 5,000 only we need to consider professional payment. Depreciation 30% is personal. We need to consider 70%, no? 70% nothing but 3,500. Is any other payments is given in the question? No. Total these payments. Total. Wait. 1,61,100. Correct, no? Correct? Yes. This is taxable professional income. If you deduct 3,46,000 minus 1,61,100, you will get 1,84,900. Correct. See, in mercantile system also you got the same answer, 1,84,900. See, in cash system also you got same 1,84,900. In the sense your problem is correct. This question is very important because they asked in 2 years. One is BBM for May 2009 and BCom for 2012. Any doubt in this question? Once again you go through the solution. See, in both methods you get same answer, right? Yes.